Hello students, English shorthand 100 words per minute, ready for dictation. Ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in extending to you a very warm and hearty welcome to this 46th annual general meeting of your company. Although it is the 46th annual general meeting, it is the second annual general meeting after the public issue of equity shares. Thank you very much indeed for sparing your valuable time and making it convenient to attend this meeting. I greatly value your presence, which to my way to thinking would be a source of inspiration to me and my colleagues on the board. While extending a welcome to the shareholders present here, I would also like to convey my greetings to the large number of shareholders numbering 63,000. I hope our association will be a long, prosperous one. The annual report, together with the audited accounts and the director's report for the year ended 31st December 1982, has been in our hands for some time now, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. The company's turnover has exceeded rupees 50 crores. This is 10% higher than the previous year. It is a matter of satisfaction that the company has been able to maintain a dividend of 20%. I have no doubt that you will consider the working results of the company for the year quite satisfactory. I am happy to inform you that as part of our efforts, we have achieved success in producing balanced film suitable for magnetic tapes. The demand for this product in India as well as abroad is quite large and growing. Some of you may have seen that we have already launched sun control film, which is used to cut out glare and heat from window panes of buildings as well as cars and buses. We expect a bright future for this product in the light of inquiries pouring in from all over India. You will be pleased to see the samples of this product displayed in this hall. I place on record the active help and support that the company has received from its bankers, financial institutions, and government agencies. Before concluding, I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the willing and energetic cooperation and leadership of the senior executives, officers, staff, workers, and all those who are engaged in the day-to-day operations of your company. Thank you, students, and best of luck to you all.